Thanks for joining me again, and let's keep that momentum going. Money. How do you get it? Money can be acquired from one of four main sources: a paycheck, owning a business, receiving a retirement pension, or an inheritance. Regardless of where your money comes from, you have two ways to build wealth: through accumulation or utilization. Accumulation is the process of building wealth over time by saving money, investing, or earning returns on assets. Accumulating can come in the form of 401ks and IRAs, Roth accounts, other government-sponsored plans, and brokerage accounts. The benefits of these accumulation accounts are potentially high percentages, especially in brokerage accounts. One of the drawbacks to accumulating money in these accounts is low liquidity. You will not have easy access to your money and may even face high penalties on withdrawals. The other strategy is utilization. Utilization refers to using your existing money to make more money by buying assets, investing, or starting a business. Utilizing your money can come in the form of cash on hand, checking and savings accounts, CDs, or money market accounts. The benefit of these utilization accounts is liquidity. Plain and simple, you have quick and easy access to your money. The drawbacks are low interest rates, taxes, and the accounts being outpaced by inflation. So what if you could have the best of both? Having a family bank gives you the leverage to accumulate a guaranteed interest rate and dividends. While your money is growing, you have the added leverage to take a low interest rate loan that is guaranteed, private, and does not hinder your credit score. The bottom line, with family banking, you can build wealth by both accumulating and utilizing your money, creating a flexible and powerful strategy for long-term financial success. Come back for more insights in the next segment.